Hello, I'm Satya Patnaik, based out in Bangalore. I'm from Odisha. I'm a management consultant by profession working in Cargill India Limited. So I'm going to talk about the challenges which I heard earlier before joining to this Fume community, and after joining to this community, how I'm getting benefited out of it. So before joining to this community, I was going through very crucial time on this about this gaining weight and all, and I was overweight during that time, and I couldn't able to control my mouth and tongue to have cravings and the junk foods and all. So literally those were defeating my weight losses, and going through the very panic time with all these knee injuries and back pains. So my physician suggested that because of my overgain weight, this all happened. Then I started going through all the home workouts, having a nutrition from Herbalife. That didn't work for me at all. Even I went through a couple of some Ayurvedic things like having followed cumin water during morning and also such stuffs. I have gone through that also. Even that didn't work for me because my everything the culprit was my mouth, to be honest, because I couldn't able to control that, and because of that only it happened. Then fortunate, I could able to join this community. So I believe I was in the first batch of this 5 days challenges of weight loss, and I interacted with this team, with this group, and the community entirely. And we have gone through one of the workshop of this 5 day challenges. We have been assigned a couple of tasks to be followed, starting from the mindset, which is the very crucial and very vital role during your weight loss journey if you are going through that. And having said and such things which are never followed by me, now I have started following it, having enough quantity of drinking water, enough sleep, on time to have breakfast, lunch and dinner and all, and what to have, what not to have. Such things I am strictly following nowadays, and literally I'm saying from last a month back I joined this community, and I'm getting benefited out of that within a month. And to be honest, and I didn't check my weight from last a month back, but I could feel the changes within me, like my t-shirts are getting loose on me, and I literally am feeling that really I'm changing and my life is becoming changed now. So thanks to community, thanks to this Fume community, how they are organizing the way, the inspirations from out of the entire group, the people who all are there in the group, they're really making us to encourage, and the team workout also. Such things really inspiring us during this journey. And thanks a lot to Uma madam and Jagan for making this happen for us, and they really the mentor how they are doing today through this community, really helping us to reach our destinations very soon. Thank you again.